Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency on AliExpress. First of all, launch up an AliExpress application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Right over here, right now, all the prices are being shown in dollars. It is because USD is selected as my currency. So if you want to change the currency, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here on this screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options related with settings. You'll be able to find the options like profile, shipping address, ship to, currency, language, etc. Tap on the option currency. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the currency. You'll be able to find the options over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the currency that you would like to change to. After you do that, you can see over here the currency will be changed. Now you'll be able to see the prices in the currency that you selected. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency. So that is how you change currency on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.